Okay. Pause that for a second. Turn the vacuum off. Because you're not even vacuuming.
I am.
You just sitting there bullshit.
But what are you doing?
Okay, so with the new gauge cluster, I can't get the temp gauge to work. So what I'm doing is hooking up a digital gauge in my car, so I don't have to worry about not knowing what the temp is. So what I'm doing is I took the water hose off from the neck right here. Still a little hot. And then you have this little valve right here. The probe that came with the digital gauge just barely fits in there. It doesn't fit in there all the way. So what I gotta do is I gotta but I gotta rethread it to a bigger size. So I'm gonna take this off. Two 10mm bolts, one on the top, one on the bottom. I'm gonna take it off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some masking tape, put it on the inside, re-screw it back in so it has something to hold it onto, so while I'm tapping it stays still and it doesn't get, the reason for the masking tape is so I don't get no metal shavings in there. Keeps it clean. And then I'm gonna clean it before I put it all back together too. Hopefully it works.
Perfect.
Oh shit.
This sucks. This vacuum sucks crap.
Well, make sure you drain your coolant. Self-tapping. Alright, so I'm doing this, you know, because I haven't seen no real video on YouTube on this. I mean, I saw one guy do it, but it was crappy quality. Which I'm not saying mine's going to be super crisp fix quality, but I rethreaded the hole with this. That worked fine. Then I needed to get deeper because the original one is short, you know, and the probe part, it stops right there. It doesn't go any deeper. See, this one's longer. When I tried to screw it in, it wouldn't go any deeper. So what I did was I got my drill with my drill bit and I drilled it. I drilled the hole. Then I got the threader. I went deeper with it. And now it goes right in there perfectly. Goes right in there. It's got a little, but it's in there. It's boom, and it gets tight. So now what I'm gonna do? Spanish people are always in sandals or slides. Sorry, slides. I got me some Teflon tape. I'm gonna put some Teflon on the threads, and then I'm gonna screw it in there tight, and then hopefully I can finish this installation. So I got everything put back together. Radiator hose back on the neck. I got the probe screwed in tight. Hopefully it don't leak. I'm gonna be checking on that. And now I just gotta do the wiring. Yo, so we're back. I don't know where I left off yesterday. I had to go do some stuff and my camera was dying. But I am almost done with this install. What I'm doing now is wiring it up. Once I'm done wiring it up, I should be complete. So I had to go buy some wire because the wire that they bring you in the kit is not long enough. So, oh my God, it's early in the morning. I woke up, I was like, I gotta get this done. I guess a little update on what I've done. Drilled it. I'm gonna connect the wire to here. Probably gonna go under the distributor. I dropped the bottom part of the interior and I dropped that side too. I think I'm gonna get my power from the cigarette lighter. So, and my ground's gonna be right there because the gauge is gonna be right there. So that'll be the closest to it. Oil pressure gauge is gonna be a whole nother thing. It looks more complicated, but I thought the water temp looked complicated, and then I just did it and it wasn't too bad. I'm gonna get started. I just need one more screw under there. I don't know if you can see that. It's right there. There's a screw right there holding that. This last panel, I'm gonna take that out. I ran a black wire through the engine. I chose black because I thought it would blend in better with all the other stuff in there and it wouldn't stand out when it's ugly. Ran it through the firewall, boom, 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 all the way in here. The black wire is connected to the probe, the sending unit that I drilled, that I tapped into over there. And here it is, connected to the green wire. I'm about to tape everything up. The positive, I took it, I went right in from this is the cigarette lighter plug, and I went right into the yellow green wire right here, twisted it on there, and the ground, it's all the way over here. Let me see if you can see it. Okay, the ground, I don't want to take it apart. There's a bolt right under the glove box over there that I saw that was connected to the frame. I hooked it up to there, tightened it, and I turned on the car, tested it, and it all turned on just fine. So now I'm just buttoning everything back up. Yeah, we'll see the final product. All right, so I finished finally. Seems to be working fine. It looks beautiful. At night it's gonna look amazing, but it looks really good. I got the car running right now. I'm just testing it out. But yeah, it was pretty simple, very easy to wire up. I mean, anybody can do it. I'm no expert, but if I can do it, you can do it. Compared to how it used to look and now, night and day, baby. Straight night and day. I love it. I got the car running. I'm just testing out the gauge, see where it ends up at. But as you can tell, it's going up. It says it's saying 130 right now, 131, 130, 131. I just turned it on, so it's cool right now. I'm gonna check for leaks where I tapped in. Let me see if I can go check it out right quick. It looks pretty good. It's starting to get hot. It's hot. Alright, so that's pretty much it for now. Temp gauge is working. It's at 140. Still going up. I think it looks amazing. Really, like, just changes the whole inside of my view, basically. I'm gonna get me another steering wheel, a nice one, and yeah, just keep going from there.